Introducing the Laser Focus Sprayer, your ultimate tool for precision painting. Say goodbye to uneven coats and hello to flawless finishes. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this tool is your new best friend. With laser-focused technology, every spray is consistent and smooth, perfect for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and creative minds alike. Achieve that factory finish quality with minimal effort. Need to change colors? No problem. The quick, easy swap feature keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Simply click, swap, and spray. It's that simple. Unleash your imagination with unlimited possibilities. From detailed designs to large-scale projects, the Laser Focus Sprayer makes it all possible. Refresh your home, personalize gifts, or explore new artistic ventures. The only limit is your creativity. Fully cordless, fully convenient. With a long-running battery, the Laser Focus Sprayer keeps up with you every step of the way. Take it wherever inspiration strikes, indoors or outdoors. Transform your painting experience with the Laser Focus Sprayer. Precision, speed, and creativity, all in the palm of your hand. Create lasting memories while crafting with loved ones. Ready to elevate your projects? Click the link below to get your Laser Focus Sprayer today. Plus, enjoy a special discount for a limited time. Don't miss out.